In this lecture, we'll discuss about introduction to database and database management system. I know that you are already familiar with the definition, but it is time to revise. If you have no idea about the database implementation, just relax. The main goal of this course is to start from zero to hero. So the first thing you need to know, what is a database? An organized collection of information in computerized format. In other words, we can say that purpose of a database is to store data in an organized way, like a telephone book is a common database. The database is for specific purposes like insert, delete, retrieve and update data easily. The database is the collection of data about anything, could be anything like students, blogs, movies, personalities, stars, countries and many more. Anything about which you want to store. What we mean by data, simply the facts or figures. What is meant by here? Organized way and unorganized way. Arrange your data in a systematic way. Organized collection of books which is stored on shelves. In this situation, it is easy to find a book. It is difficult to find a book from the unorganized collection of books. As a human, it is difficult. Also, same case with computers. Another important thing that you should be very clear about is the difference between a database and the database management system, also called DBMS. The database management system, on the other hand, is the software or tool that is used to manage the database. Database system. The database is a collection of data. A DBMS is a tool to manage this data, and both jointly are called database system. What is RDBMS? RDBMS is an important type of DBMS. Introduce relational model that contains relationship between tables. We can make relations using primary and foreign key. Thank you for watching this database implementation course, and in upcoming videos we will covering both common and advanced terms. I will promise you it will be amazing. There are many advantages of the database, as we know that the database is an organized collection of data. If our information in an organized way, we can build computer application more easily. Applications mainly store the data in the computer storage, then access and present it to the users in different formats, also termed as data processing. For example, banks, customers, services, and many other applications. Such applications are being managed by databases. Databases are stored directly or indirectly almost every person in society. So here are the points. Share data by using network. Importance of DBMS. We can share our database by using a DBMS. Maintain integrity of the database means that data integrity means the accuracy and consistency of data. Relational database. We can store our data in multiple tables and we can make relations between tables. Manipulate data means we can store data in an organized way. It makes easier to reading. And fifth point is database security, which is very important. DBMS also provides database security. Accessing data efficiently. We can access data quickly. Just for developing your interest, a database developer can earn average salary near about 74,433. Every database developer salary. You can learn more about it by using www.payscale.com. Link is given on the slide. So thank you for watching this video.